Let's doodle a succulent plant. For this challenge, you'll need our succulent plant challenge card, 10 strands of filament, our 3D pen, and a small cup or pot. Flip the challenge card over and start by doodling the leaves. Part B1, B2, and B3. Trace the outline of each leaf and then fill it in with filament. Once cooled, pop the leaves off the stencil. Now it's time to shape each leaf. Add a strip of plastic to the back of the leaf, and while it is still warm, begin to shape the leaf until it forms the shape you would expect for a succulent plant. Add additional layers of filament to the leaf until you achieve the desired thickness. Repeat for all 12 leaves. Now it's time to create the base section of your succulent. Get your stencil back out and doodle part A. We are using black, but any earth or rock tone colors like brown, gray, or white would also work. Trace the outline and then fill in the center of your base. Go back and forth, adding layers until your base is complete. Now it's time to start assembling. Join all 5 B1 leaves to the center of the base. Make sure the leaves are curling up. Start by applying a small amount of plastic to the small end of the leaf, and then press and hold it in place until the plastic has cooled. Repeat the process for the remaining B1 leaves. Now it's time to build the second layer of B2 leaves. Add a small bit of plastic to the bottom tip of a B2 leaf, and then stagger it in between the first layer. Repeat this until you've placed all 4 B2 leaves. Then move on to applying the 3 smaller leaves, B3, using the stagger in place method. Once you've placed all the leaves, you're done. Using a different color of plastic, we went with white. Add some detail to your succulent. Then rest the base with all the leaves attached into a small planter. Thanks for watching our succulent plant tutorial. Be sure to share your creation with us and check out our other maker projects on our YouTube channel.